Hello everyone, this is FX. So today I'm going to be telling you guys, like mostly for beginners, what app you need to download before you start your trading journey. So let's just go straight to the point. So first thing first, what you need most, it's called MT5. And what is MT5? MT5 is the one that help you to so easy to place buy, sell, withdraw and all that. You can also do that on your broker, but MT5 is what people mostly use. And it's not only MT5, we have MT4, we have MT5, we have C traders and all that, but the one that people mostly use nowadays is MT5. So first thing first, you go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store, you go and download MT5. Then after MT5, what else do you need? You need a broker. Then what is a broker? A broker is like a middleman. Like let's say you place a buy directly from your, you already link your broker to your MT5, you place a buy. Your broker is the one that will send that your buy signal to the market, like to the big bank and all that, because on the norms, we retail trader are not meant to trade. You see, trading is really meant for those big banks and all that, but with the help of your broker, you'll be able to trade with them. So the broker is more like your middleman to help you place your trade and send your signal and all that. So for beginner, I'm going to recommend a broker which is SNS. I'm not doing marketing for them, but in case you want to sign up with them, the link is in my bio. You sign up with SNS, and yeah, you can start with as low as $10 with SNS. So with SNS, you're not being charged any fee on the standard account. You can place your trade anytime, anyhow, no swap free, nothing. You see, I have other broker which is Pepperstone, but that one you will be charged like $7 if you're trading with one lot. So if you open a trade, you will be charged 3.50, and if you close the trade, you'll be charged 3.50. But for Pepperstone, that one is a raw spread. You see, so you need an MT5, you need a broker. You download an MT5, you download your broker, SNS. I make use of SNS, the link is in the bio. That's the second thing. Thirdly, where will you check your, let's say you want to check your chart, you want to see how the chart is moving, like people do show and all that. What you need and what most people make use of is TradingView. So there's the paid version and there's free, so you can start with free in case you don't have much money to start subscribing every month. So you download TradingView, you sign up with them, then you can go to there's so many brokers that offer data chart on all that. So you can go for Pepperstone or Onda. That's one I use because the prices are different. The price for forex.com is different from the one for Onda, so you go for the one that you know that it's mostly accurate. And the one that I know that is mostly accurate that I've been using is Pepperstone or Onda, those two. And most people make use of forex and all that. It depends on what works for you. So I think that is the main three thing you need to have to start trading. And fourthly, let's say you want to buy a prop firm and you don't have money to start and all that. So for me, I do trade with funding pips, and I also do trade with fundedness, but I make use of funding pips most. And I have another one which is Ola Prime. So in case you want to buy a challenge and you need like 20% off for all that, I think the link is in the bio, but in case you can't find the link in the bio, just message me directly. I'm going to send you the link so you can sign up, buy a challenge and get a 20% off. So I think that is all for that. And in case you haven't joined my Telegram channel yet, the link is in my bio. Join my Telegram channel. I do drop trading signal anytime I got one. So if I make money, you make money. If I lose money, you lose money as well. So that's all I have for now. And yeah, see you on the next one, guys. One love.